This is Patrick, the designer of Geochron Digital, and we're going to walk through how to get from version 1 to version 2 by downloading a firmware update directly from Geochron through your local computer, creating a bootable flash drive, and then installing it on your Geochron Digital. First, write down your software serial number, not the one on the back of your computer. The software serial number is in the menu under System. You're going to need that serial number to fill out the download page. Now, we're not Google, and so we've only got so much bandwidth to work with here, so downloads are first come, first served. You may have to wait a few moments before your download begins. Remember where the download is being saved on your computer. Note that your download has your serial number on it. It is specific to your Geochron Digital and won't work for anyone or anything else. When the download is complete, you're going to need a third-party program called Rufus. It's at rufus.ie. Rufus will easily create a bootable flash drive from the image file you downloaded. If you just copy and paste it to your flash drive, it's probably not going to work. Let's watch as I create a bootable flash drive with Rufus with just a few button presses. Of course, before you start up Rufus, you need to insert your own USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 6 gigabytes large. To prepare your Geochron Digital, make sure you've got power, the remote dongle is plugged in, and we'd recommend using a wired internet connection for this if you can. Once you power it on, keep pressing the back button on your remote until you're on the main tab of the BIOS. Don't get distracted by the save prompt, just keep pressing the back button. We're going to tell the computer to boot temporarily to the flash drive you just put in. Use the arrows on your remote to navigate to the Save and Exit tab. Under the Save and Exit tab and under Boot Override, select the options that say UEFI General UDisk Partition 1. That's your flash drive. It may have a different name, but it's going to be close to that. And the last thing you have to do is press OK. From here, you'll see a white screen, a few lines of code, a lovely little slideshow to entertain you until the process is done, and it might take up to 15 minutes. If it takes longer than 15 minutes, something went wrong. Of course, this upgrade process has been tested thoroughly by Geochron, but there are things we can't control, like your internet connection and the quality of your flash drive. Here are some errors you might encounter. Internet required. To conduct the upgrade process, your Geochron Digital needs internet to work. Data corrupt. Reflash the flash drive again, and if that doesn't work, download the image again. Make sure that your device's software number is identical to the serial number that you provided. Version 1.0 not supported. Now, this is a very early Geochron device and doesn't have a software number, so please contact us directly and we'll take care of it. Unknown error? Well, we don't know what it is either, so please contact us and we'll figure it out. You can always find us at support@geochron.com or 800-342-1661. And once this is done, enjoy your Geochron Digital version 2 with satellite weather and faster performance.